Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm with my sister. Say hi.
Hello.
And today we're going for a walk through the Cotswolds. If you guys didn't know, Cotswold is an area of outstanding natural beauty, such as Chiltern Hills, and it's the third largest protected landscape within the UK, well, sorry, not within the UK, within England, just after Lake District and Yorkshire Dales. It's full of really nice hills and picturesque villages such as Castle Combe and Burberry. So I think the plan today is we're going to go for a walk along the Cotswold Way. The Cotswold Way is a 102-kilometre walk that takes you right through the Cotswold. It's a lovely walk. Obviously, not going to do the whole thing today, just going to do a bit of it. And yeah, hopefully show you the best things Cotswolds has to offer. So we're currently walking through Sheepsfield and we thought we'd just stop and look at some of the sheep. When was the last time you saw a sheep up this close?
I don't know. It's been a while, pretty sure.
We're just walking up towards Broadway Tower, which is the second highest point in the Cotswolds. But I thought I'd just stop to show you these amazing sweeping views of the Cotswolds. I mean, just look at this. It's just so nice, and it's such a pleasant day as well. So we've just got to the top of the Cotswold Escarpment. How did you find the walk?
It's very uphill.
Yeah, it was a little bit steep at places, but it wasn't too long. It was only about 3 or 4 kilometers, and it took us about hour and a half in total. So it's a very quick walk. In front of us we have Broadway Tower, which is the second highest point in Cotswold, as I've mentioned before. It's also the highest castle in Cotswold, and in Cotswold there's loads of villages and castles, so to be the highest castle is quite a feat. What do you think of the castle?
It doesn't really look like a castle.
It's not really a castle.
It's a tower.
It's called Broadway Tower, but for some reason it refers to itself as a castle. And you can get tickets to go to the top. I don't know if you can see the people up there, but in my opinion, I don't think it's worth paying it to go all the way up, because the views aren't that much different from all the way up there as it is from down here. Would you go up?
See, I'm guessing there's no lifts in there, so I'm good down.
Yeah, if you haven't realised by now, by watching all my previous videos, my sister is very lazy. We've just stopped by the top of the tower for a spot of lunch. We brought our own food with us. There is a cafe nearby, but as my sister would test, the food is very expensive. I mean, how much was a panini?
It's like £7, £8, I think.
Yeah, I mean, that's a disgrace. You shouldn't be paying £8 for a panini. Yes, it's fresh, but just bring your own food. You can save so much money. We're just walking down from the top of Broadway Tower. The highest point within the Cotswold is just over 300 metres, so it's not that high at all when you compare it to the Lake District and the Dales. However, it's still such a nice place to visit. There's so many picturesque villages and towns nearby where you can stay for a whole weekend or even week. And I've been here before, actually, into the Cotswold. When I was about 14 or 15, I did Bronze Duke of Edinburgh, and we came here for our practice hike, and I enjoyed it and I loved every second of it, so I'm so glad to be back. Just pause on the way down to show you these amazing views. What would you give it out of 10?
It's quite good, actually. I would give it a 8.5.
Solid rating for my sister. We've just reached the end of our walk at a village called Broadway. As you can see, it looks so stunning. All the villages and towns around Cotswolds, well, not all of them, most of them, all have this iconic stone look. What do you think of it?
I think it looks quite nice.
Yeah, it really is, isn't it? It has a whole sort of country vibe, and a lot of Downton Abbey was filmed around here, and you can just tell, given the whole sort of rural setting of this whole area. And it will be such a great place to spend a whole weekend or week with your family. And there's also loads of sort of pubs around here, so after your walk, if you're feeling a bit tired, then it's a great place to get a refreshing pint. hope you guys enjoyed that. Something a little bit different from my usual hiking videos around Surrey. As I said, Cotswold is a lovely place, so make sure you come down here if you've never been here before. There's loads of villages around here to spend a whole weekend. Broadway, for example, as you hopefully have seen, it looks stunning. And yeah, make sure you like this video as always, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.